Hello guys, this is Sudeep on our very first video of Technologic Ideas, and I am going to show you how to change the service pack of Windows operating system without any internet connection or additional patch. Now first of all, what is service pack? It is a collection of updates and fixes called patches for an operating system or a software program. They are simply the update of our operating system. Sometimes many softwares can't be installed on a lower version Windows operating system. For this reason, we have to download the upgraded patch of the operating system, and it is a complex and time-consuming process. You can fix it using a simple trick and remind it that it's a trick. This can help you to install those softwares without changing or upgrading your operating system. So don't hope for the additional features of the following service pack. Let's get started. So guys, if you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to like the video. Keep supporting and motivating us for betterment of our videos by subscribing our channel and leave your comment at the comment section below. Thank you.